Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can remove someone from a Google Drive access. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, let's just open up our Google Drive application. And after we have our Google Drive application opened, we can select a file or a folder we want to remove someone from. And for instance, I'm going to remove someone from accessing this Google Drive folder because I have shared this folder to some accounts. Okay, we can click on this three dots on the folder, then select manage access. Okay, and here as you can see, I have added some people to this Google Drive folder so they can access and edit this folder. And I'm going to remove one of them. I'm going to remove this account, so we just need to click on the account and click on remove option and just wait for a moment until the account removed. Okay, and now the account or the person has been removed from accessing this Google Drive folder. Alright guys, and that's how we can remove someone from Google Drive access. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.